What's good, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to open a Deriv account. If this is your first time and you're looking for a step-by-step video guide to show you how to do it, this is it. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tony and I'm here to show you how to open your first Deriv account. If you want to open your first Deriv account, watch this tutorial, then use the link in the description below to access it. Alright, so when you click the link in the description, you will come into this section. Alright, it'll show you whether you'd want to log in or you'd want to try a demo. So let's say try demo down here. Okay, so when you're here, you can choose to enter your email or you can use either of these options. For this demonstration, I want to use Google. So I'll choose Google. So you enter your email address like this, then you enter your password. Then you tap on continue. All right, so when you get to the screen, you see that you are in Traders Hub. You have your demo sign here that to show that this is a demo account, and you see that you've got 10,000 USD as your balance. So what we want to do here is create a real Deriv account. So what you do is come here to demo, then you click on real. When you click on real, you come to this screen where it says add a Deriv account. So here is where we pick the currency that we want. In this scenario, I want to choose the US dollar. So let's click on the US dollar and then click next. All right, now here it comes and asks you for your identification. So here it clearly shows you what it needs for you to have an account. All right, so it's going to ask for your identity verification type. You come here. So if you have your ID number, you can use it, or if you want to do this later, you can do it then. When you come here, you can add all your ID, your first name, your last name, and your birth. And when you're here in this section, this is where you can add your phone number, your place of birth, and your account, and the reason of opening your account. So let's say next. So when you say next, the next step that you come into is step 3, which says employment and tax information. So you come here in employment status. If you're employed, if you're a student, if you're unemployed, you can choose between these options. So the option that I'll be picking here is unemployed, right? I do not have a tax. If you have tax information, you can choose to enter your tax identification number here. If not, you can say I do not have tax information, and then you can say next here. In step 4, it's going to ask for your address. Then you can say next. All right. In step 5, this is where you learn about the terms of use. So you can go through this information. Then after you do, since we do not reside in the US, this information does not apply to us, right? So after you've read everything, you can click these to agree and then add an account. Okay, so it's going to come here and ask you to deposit. So it gives you a lot of deposit options, from your Bitcoin accounts to your cards, crypto to your e-wallet, and other alternative cases. But the most convenient one that I've used is through a card. So you can either use your credit card or debit card to deposit into your account, which is very easy. But right now, this is not what we're concentrating on. I want us to complete the merging of the real account with the NT5 account. So just exit here and then say deposit later. Okay, so when your real account is open, what you see here in Traders Hub is that this icon will turn from demo to real, and it will show your balance down here as 0.00 US dollars. It's because you haven't deposited anything into the account. All right, so here it's going to give you the options, right? So here in the options, you can choose whether you'd want to open Deriv Trader, Deriv Bot, Smart Trader, or Deriv Go. These are options that you can do personal research on, but what I want us to focus on is CFDs. Okay, so if you're looking to trade the financial market or the Deriv synthetic indices, you can come and choose from here. Okay, so here we've got your standard, your financial STP, your swap free, and your zero spread. This is a very popular one because they do not charge any spreads when you are trading. So here we are going to open a standard account since we're looking to trade synthetic indices. But if you want to trade forex pairs similar to Euro USD and other commodities, you can open a financial account. But here we want to open a standard derived account, which is CFDs on derived and financial instruments. So we can choose that. Let's get. All right, so when we're here now, you have to choose your password. So make sure that you do not forget this password because it will be necessary for the step that is coming ahead in terms of linking your account with the MetaTrader 5 trading account. All right, so when you do that, it's going to say success. Your Deriv MT5 standard account is ready. Enable trading with your first transfer. Awesome. So it will allow you to transfer the money into your account, the money that you would have deposited into your Deriv. You will be able to transfer it with this button. So, but for now, I want us to finish with linking. So I'll say maybe later. Now, when you come here, it'll show that your standard SVG account is now open. It shows the balance here is 0.0 USD, and it's also going to give you a code. So what I want you to do is say open. All right, so when you're now here, you have standard SVG and it'll show you your balance here. So the important part here, I want you to pay attention to this. It'll show you your broker, which is Deriv SVG LLC, and then your server, which is Deriv SVG server -03. You can copy that, you see? And then here you've got your login ID, which is that number, and you can copy that, as well as your password, the one that I told you not to forget. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to copy your login ID, right? So when you do copy your login ID, I want you to open the MetaTrader 5 app. So if you want the MetaTrader app, you can find it in your Play Store. When you do find it, you can just install it here. After the installation is done, then you can open the app. You can press accept here. You can say open account. All right. So when you're here, I want you to click on quotes, right? And when you're here, I want you to say get started. So when you're in get started, you go here to the add button. Then, like instead of clicking whatever you would see here, like you see here, it says deriv.limited.com. So I would want you to go find the broker. Then type in Deriv. Deriv. And then, just like it was saying before on my other screen, it was Deriv SVG LLC. So I choose that. Okay. So in my Deriv SVG LLC, what I do is I paste my login code that was showing on the other screen. Then here you put in your password that I said that you should not forget. And then here we go in and choose Deriv SVG, the one that it says server 3, because it said server 3 on the other side. Okay. Then after we filled in the login, the password that I said you shouldn't forget, and the server that was showing on the other screen, we say log in. Okay, so now you can see that I've been logged in here and it's showing that my balance is 0.00 USD. So if I deposited and transferred money into this account, it would be reflecting the balance that would be transferred. So when you now come down here to quotes, you'll see that your synthetic indices are now active. So you've got your step, you've got your boom, your crash, your volatility indices all the way here. Okay, so if you want to execute a trade, let's say you do have money, you can enter B75, which is the most popular pair when it comes to trading synthetic indices. You open your chart, you just wait for it to load, and then your chart would be loaded right here. Please make sure to watch the second video in this series teaching you on how to make a trade. I'm going to cover how to deposit money into your account, and then I'm going to show you how to trade it within these charts. I'll see you